Joe. We are here at the site of the corn spiral that we're going to build over the next several moons. Actually, we have about 20 days to build this. We started out today by staking at the center and measuring about 20 feet across. So the entire diameter of this corn spiral is going to be 40 feet. At the center is going to be a fire, so we measured where that's going to go, and we measured about 5 feet out from there. And what we did was we took some string, very simple, staked in the center, pulled the string 20 feet, and pulled it out all the way around. And so that's the start of this project. In fact, we started last week. We did ceremony here. We cleaned the earth with the smudge and said some prayers, asked the ancestors for help with this project. So this is the beginning of something really extraordinary here, and hopefully in a few months we're going to have corn. Welcome back, everybody. So today, I think it's May 17th, and as you can see, we have flagged in the paths, the spiraling paths that lead to the central fire here in this corn spiral. Right now what we're doing is along the path of those flags, we're digging a small swale. What this is going to allow is water to enter this space and basically irrigate into this space, so we'll have to do less watering. We do have access to water here on site, so that's a bonus. This is a big job to cut these paths, but it's really important for irrigation, as well as creating like a berm between each of these two spaces, where eventually we'll bring in soil. We're going to cover this entire area with cardboard to prevent opportunistic species from coming out of the ground. Lots of work ahead, but I can't wait to show you what's next. Miigwech.